Want to turn your boring still photos into realistic, high-quality AI videos with absolutely no watermarks? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AnimateMyPic.com to bring your pictures to life in just a few clicks. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're looking at AnimateMyPic, a powerful online AI photo animator. If you've ever wanted to make an old family photo move, make a character dance, or turn a simple portrait into a cinematic movie scene, this tool is designed to do exactly that. Best of all, they let you start with free trial credits, and your downloads don't have any annoying watermarks. So how does it actually work? The process is super simple. You head over to AnimateMyPic.com, upload your image, and choose how you want to animate it. What makes this platform unique is the sheer variety of AI models you can choose from. They feature the brand new Dance 2.5 for incredibly smooth motion, Kling 3.0 for cinematic camera moves, and even advanced models like Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 for premium storytelling. If you don't have a photo ready, you can even use their built-in Nano Banana 2 image generator to create a polished portrait or character from scratch before you animate it. If you don't want to mess around with complex settings, AnimateMyPic comes loaded with over 60 pre-made AI photo animation effects. You can create a heartwarming AI hug video, turn a portrait into a realistic AI alive moment, try out AI dancing, or even make an AI jump scare video. They also have an AI old photo animation effect, which is perfect for restoring and adding natural movement to historic family photographs. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, having no watermarks on your downloads is a massive win for creators. The integration of industry-leading models like Kling and Dance means you get highly realistic motion rather than weird, distorted warping. You also get free trial credits to test things out. On the con side, because there are so many different models like Nano Banana, Veo, and Sora, it might feel a bit overwhelming for absolute beginners to know which model to choose for their specific project. Additionally, because this is a newer platform, there aren't many public user reviews available online yet. This means you'll want to take advantage of those free trial credits to test the quality for yourself and see if it fits your workflow. If you're ready to try it, they offer one-time credit packs and occasional discounts on their premium models if you decide to upgrade. Head over to AnimateMyPic.com to animate your first photo for free today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more AI tools, and let me know in the comments which effect you're going to try first. See you in the next video.